RedoLog file, online RedoLog file management. So to check how many we have select, there are two important dynamic views for managing online RedoLogs. RedoLog, this contains group number. Thread is useful when we are in a rack environment. Here all the thread is equal to 1 only because we have single instance. Sequence, bytes, block size, how many members we have, status, VYT. So the sequence 1, 2, 3, because just now we started the database, so it's still third file is active. Once this is over, the first file will become group number 1 will become sequence 4. So third is the current file as status. Block size is 512 and each contains one member. Now to adding a RedoLog group to the database. Now we have three groups. Suppose we want to add a third group. This is alter database, add log file, group 4. Here the file location u01, same folder, prod redo 04.log, size 10M. So if you run the previous command, it will show us the fourth group has been added, sequence still 0 and unused. Its sequence will come to 4 right now. So we can add one. Similarly, we can add alter database, add log file, group 5, u01 prod redo 05.log, size 10M. Now group 6. So this is also useful in changing the sizes. Now we have 3 unused groups 4, 5, 6 with 10 MB each size. Now adding a log member. For example, each one of these are containing one member. If we want to add a member, alter database, add log file member, u01 prod redo 04 a.log to any group 4. So now group 4 is showing 2 members. We added 2 members here. And now how to drop RedoLog member from the database. Suppose we want to, just now we added a member. There is one more dynamic view to check members log file. Here select group number, type member. So 4 has been repeated 2 times this line because of the reason is it has two members. So just now we added a redo 04a.log file. We can drop that to check the droppings. Alter database, drop log file member and member name. It has been dropped. So like this we can add and drop. To cross check we can say order complete RedoLog group. If you want to drop, the prerequisite is the status of the RedoLog group like we done previously. Status, wherever it is unused we can drop, wherever it is inactive we can drop. We cannot drop current, we cannot drop active. Current means which is presently writing been written, and active means which required for instance recovery. It has still it's not been written to archive logs. So complete to drop a complete logbook we can check this. These are the group member, these are the group members, which group you want to drop. Complete RedoLog group. If you want to drop, already drop RedoLog group. 4 has been gone. mm, Resizing RedoLog groups. For example, our groups are like this. First 3 groups are 50 MB, last 2 groups are 10 MB. So alter database add log file. So to resize them, there is only one way. We have to add 3 new group set of, right now we have 3 groups, so we can add 3 new set of groups with equal size, the required size which we want to resize. Physically file still existing, we just dropped the group, we didn't drop the member inside it. So yeah, now we once we added 3 new groups, so 3 new groups with new size has been added. Once this adding is done, group 5, group 6, do few log switches. We do few log switches until they become, so the required, the first 3 should become inactive. So 1 or 2 are inactive, so then we can drop them, and so that we will make, we just keep 4 5 6 with our required size. So 1 2 we can drop. So 3 is still active, we need to make few more lock switches. Three is current right now. Now it's inactive. Alter database, drop log file group 3. Now gone. Now the current sizes will be 10 MB on now.